Hi guys, it's me again, Trev Bits and Bobs. Welcome to the second video today, doing GTA time trial. Enjoy. So there we go. Someone went over the edge.
Relax, you've already lost.
Yep, relax, already lost. Wow, I'm winning again. This is time trial 13. Tomorrow I'll be seeing Elite Man 99, my best friend. I prefer not to do this with music because you can hear what I'm saying at the same time. I'm filming off a new camera, by the way. It's my phone, but it's got a new camera on it. Oh, just died. Never mind, guys. Don't forget, guys, please like and subscribe, comment. You know, we're dropping Trust Bits and Bobs over and out. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys. Peace out. Over and out. Bye.